clean you up. The worst part of this is the numbing medicine, so you're gonna feel like a little bit of a pinch and burn. You know the drill.
I know, I'm a terrible patient. When you see my daughter, she's a great patient.
I think you're a wonderful
Oh,
patient.
you're very kind.
Was he your daughter? Or
She's about to come.
Okay.
I'm trying to get an appointment for her. I think it's a hormonal thing with her skin.
acne?
She's done with chemo. She had lymphoma. She's in remission. But you might advise her about what to do.
Yeah. We will help her out any way we can.
Oh, good.
All right. Are you comfortable like that?
Yeah, I'm good.
If you need to adjust during the procedure, just let me know.
Okay.
Little stick coming up. 1, 2, 3. Ouch. So during the procedure, you're gonna feel some pressure and some pulling and that sort of stuff, but you shouldn't feel anything sharp or painful after this part. If you do, just let me know. I can always put more numbing in. All right.
Okay.
Sorry. You good?
Yep.
Good.
Yep.
Force it. You okay?
Yes.
Good?
Yep.
I think it's all out. I'm just,
Good.
cleaning up a little bit. That's it. I think you're ready to be put back together.
Sounds good.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you might notice a little bit of a watery, bloody discharge coming from here.
Okay.
Totally normal. Basically, I just removed something that was filling a void in your occupying space
Right.
in your skin. I created a void. So your body naturally is going to try to fill that up with blood and serum. So a little watery blood discharge is normal.
Okay.
Obviously, if there's pus or anything that seems
An infection.
odd,
Yeah.
call me.
Yeah, I will. What kind of cyst is this, doctor?
This is an epidermoid or sebaceous or infundibular cyst. There's lots of names. I think you actually had a lipoma there too, though. I think it was 2 things in one. So there's a little bit of the cyst, but a lot of it was actually a lipoma, towards the top, which is another benign harmless thing.
Okay.
That's why it kind of felt like hard, like deep, you
yeah.
know, like a deep ball. That was the lipoma. But I'll let you know with 100% certainty in a couple of days when we look at it under the microscope.
Okay.
So 2 weeks the stitches come out. You can shower, these can get wet. No limitations except for like, you know, no real heavy lifting. You don't want the stitches to pop and that sort of thing.
Okay, so any kind of work in the garden, like
That's all
putting-
fine. That's okay. As long as you're not like you know, lugging trees around.
Not trees, just basically putting compost down.
That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, anything where you got like lifting a ton of weight, you know.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that makes sense.
But when you shower, take the dressing off and let the soap and water run over the area.
Okay.
And when you get out, a little bit of Vaseline and a Band-Aid over the stitches.
Okay.
And basically do that every day till you come back. In 2 weeks, we take the stitches out.
So Vaseline and a Band-Aid.
Yep.
Okay.
Any problems, you know where to find us. Just give us a buzz.
You're
We're
a
always
block
around.
away.
Okay,
That's
we're all
good.
done.
Okay.
We're just gonna clean you up. My staff is gonna make sure everything looks good before you split. 2 weeks you come back, we take the stitches out.
Good.
Aquaphor or Vaseline,
Okay.
or and a Band-Aid over the area.
Good.
I'll be in touch with the pathology, but any problems you know where to find me.
Okay, good.